You ever open your smart TV, go into Netflix or another app, and realize you're missing a bunch of shows everyone else is talking about? Like you search for something and it just doesn't show up. Or you see people online recommending movies that literally don't exist on your version. Yeah, that was me. At first, I thought my app was broken. So I tried everything: restarting the TV, reinstalling apps, logging out and back in, even changing the region in the TV settings. Nothing worked. It still showed the same limited library. But then I found a setup that actually fixed it. And if you want to skip all the guessing and just use the exact setup I used, go check out vpndiscount.org. I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow along. So here's what's really happening. Your smart TV content depends on your location. Not just what you set manually, but your actual internet location. So even if you change the region in your TV settings, apps like Netflix still detect where you really are based on your IP address. That's why nothing works. The real fix is to change your IP location. And the easiest way to do that is by using a VPN. Again, if you want the exact setup I used without wasting time testing random options, vpndiscount.org has everything laid out. Here's what I did. Now, since most smart TVs don't support VPN apps directly, you've got two main ways to make this work. Option 1 is setting up the VPN on your router. Option 2 is using it through a hotspot. I went with the hotspot method because it's way easier. So first, I installed a VPN app on my phone, opened it up, logged in. Then I selected a server in the country I wanted. For me, that was the US Hit Connect, and waited until it said connected. Now here's the key step. I turned on my mobile hotspot while the VPN was still connected. This means any device that connects to my hotspot uses that VPN location. So I connected my smart TV to my phone's hotspot instead of my regular Wi-Fi. Once connected, I restarted the TV just to make sure everything refreshed. Then I opened Netflix again. And yeah, completely different library, new shows, new movies, stuff that wasn't there before just appeared. That's when I knew it actually worked. Now, quick note, the VPN I ended up using for this was NordVPN. I didn't mention it earlier because I tried a few before that. Some didn't work well with streaming. Others were too slow or got detected. But NordVPN worked right away. It's fast, so streaming doesn't buffer. It's reliable, so the connection stays stable. And it has tons of server locations, which is perfect if you want to switch between regions. That's what made the whole thing smooth. If you want the same setup I used, you can find it on vpndiscount.org. That's where I got the deal and setup guide, and it made everything way easier. One more tip. If a specific app doesn't update right away, just restart it or sign out and back in. Sometimes it needs a quick refresh to recognize the new location. Also, try different servers if one doesn't work perfectly. There are plenty of options. So yeah, if you're tired of missing out on content just because of your region, this is honestly the simplest fix I found. No complicated settings, no tech headaches. Just connect, switch your network, and you're good. And again, if you want to set it up the exact same way I did, head over to vpndiscount.org using the link in the description. It saved me a lot of time, and it'll probably do the same for you.